Easy English Podcast. Let's start, guys.
Picture this. You meet someone, a colleague, a neighbor, maybe someone new at a party. And you open your mouth, and out comes the same 4 words you've said 1,000 times. How are you?
And they say, "Fine, thanks. You?" And you say, "Good, thanks." And then, silence. A silence that feels like an empty hallway.
The conversation is over before it even started. And somewhere inside you, there's this quiet frustration. I know English. Why does talking still feel like this?
Here's the thing nobody tells you. It's not your English that's the problem. It's the phrase.
How are you, in many situations, has become almost meaningless in everyday English. It's a reflex, a social password, not a real question.
And today, we're going to replace it with something better, something warmer, something that actually starts a real conversation.
Hello, and welcome back to Practice Easy English, the podcast that meets you exactly where you are.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Mia. And today, we are talking about one of the most common phrases in the English language and why it might actually be holding your conversations back.
Which feels a little dramatic when you say it like that, honestly. Like, it's just, how are you? It's so innocent.
It is innocent, and we're not saying it's wrong. We're saying there's so much more available to you. And once you know those options, conversations start to feel completely different.
More alive, more real. Less like a checkout counter exchange.
The checkout counter exchange. That's exactly it. How are you? Good, thanks. Beep. Next item.
So, settle in. This one is gonna be fun and genuinely useful. Promise. Okay, Mia. Let's start with the honest truth. Why do native speakers get tired of "how are you"?
I'd say it's less that they hate it. The title is a little dramatic, I'll admit.
Just a touch.
And more that it's become automatic. Think about how you feel when someone asks it at work first thing in the morning. Do you actually think before you answer?
No, my mouth just goes. Fine, thanks. You? I could be having the worst morning of my life and I'd still say, fine, thanks.
Right, because the phrase has its own script. It's like a little automatic machine. Question goes in, answer comes out. No real connection happens.
It's almost like a door you open but never walk through.
Oh, I love that. A door you open but never walk through. And here's the fascinating part. This is actually a well-known thing in communication psychology. When greetings become automatic, people stop actually hearing them.
Like how you stop seeing the posters on your bedroom wall after a while? They're there, but you don't really notice them anymore.
Exactly. Familiarity can make things invisible. So, what do we do instead?
Tell us. I'm very ready.
Let's start with the simplest swap. Something small that makes a big difference. Instead of "how are you," try "how are you doing?"
Wait, isn't that the same thing?
Almost. But "how are you doing" puts a tiny bit more emphasis on the action of living. It feels slightly more personal, more present, like you're genuinely asking about this specific moment.
I can feel the difference, actually. It's subtle, but it's there. Like the difference between glancing at someone and actually looking at them.
Perfectly said. Now, here's one that works beautifully in casual situations. What's up?
Classic. So casual, so easy.
What's up is warm, relaxed, and it invites a real answer because it doesn't have a script attached to it. The automatic reply to "how are you" is fine, thanks. But what do you say to what's up?
You actually have to think. You might say, oh, not much, just tired today. Or, actually, so much, I have to tell you something.
See? The door opened. And this time, someone walked through.
I want to live in that metaphor.
We can. Now, one of my personal favorites, and this one feels a little more generous, a little warmer. How have you been?
Oh, yes. This one has a different weight to it.
It does, right? How have you been? Suggests I'm thinking about you. Not just right now, but in general. The time since I last saw you, your life, how things have been going for you.
It's the difference between I see you right now and I've been wondering about you.
And people feel that distinction, even if they can't explain why. They feel more seen.
Which is honestly all any of us want, isn't it? To feel seen.
It really is.
Okay. What about at work? Like professional situations? Can we use what's up with a boss or a client?
Please do not say what's up to a client in a formal email.
I feel like someone in our audience has done this.
No judgment. No judgment at all.
In professional contexts, there are some really elegant alternatives. Try, I hope you're doing well. Or, I trust you're keeping well.
I trust you're keeping well. That sounds so composed. Like you're wearing a nice blazer just saying it.
Exactly. It has that calm, warm professionalism. It shows you're thinking of the other person without being overly familiar.
And what about something like at the start of a meeting? When you want to connect with someone before getting into business?
Great one. Try, good to see you. How's everything going? Or, it's been a while. How have things been? These open the door gently. They say, I acknowledge you as a person, not just a task.
Which, in professional life, is a small thing that makes a huge difference.
Always.
Now, I want to talk about the responses too, because this is something people don't think about. When someone asks, how are you, in English, what do you say? Most learners say, fine, thanks, or I'm good, thank you, which are fine, but they're also closed doors.
Yes, the response matters as much as the question. If you want a real conversation, your answer should crack the door open a little wider.
So instead of fine, thanks, what could someone say?
Try, pretty good actually. It's been a busy week. Or, tired, but happy. Lots going on. Or even just, not bad at all. How about you?
That last one, how about you, is so important. Bounce it back. Show interest. Keep it alive.
That's the real secret of English small talk. It's not about having perfect sentences. It's about keeping the energy moving. Back and forth. Like a gentle tennis match.
A gentle tennis match. Not a competitive one. Nobody's trying to win.
Nobody's trying to win. Everyone's just trying to connect.